Hi, let's check the current feelings of your partner. Okay, so current feelings. Okay, okay. So see, the relationship is very much centered around protection. Protection. They feel protected. They feel very safe, and your partner, the your I mean, you can relate this word partner as your husband, as your boyfriend, or any object of your desire. Okay, so it's like this relationship, it has been about a lot of protection. Your partner has given you a lot of protection, and it's like if there has been a communication gap between both of you, then I think everything is like coming around, everything is coming back, and it's like things are looking up in a way that maybe they will call you up, maybe they will ask you for another chance, and they will ask for an apology. Well, these days people are not that humble so as to ask for apologies until and unless there is a very serious affair going on. But I think here the person can show either can either ask for an apology, or can through some other way show that they're apologetic about whatever they did to you. And they are and your partner, I think this reading is more about the people who are under some separation, or who are not going through a very good relationship dynamics. The relation dynamics is very much affected in this case, and it's about, and one of you is not able to express their feelings in a very apt manner. You keep things bottled up in yourself, so that is creating a problem. Like they create, either you or they hold back their feelings, and they're very poor at expression. But they know that this is a very deep connection. They know that you have touched the strings of their heart, and they can't get away with being this cold for much of the time to come. uh, they are you may doubt your person, you may be doubting your person as being a flirt, or maybe your person may be flirting around you. You may be doubting that your person may be flirting around, uh, and he may even act abusive at times. um but then whatever the way your partner is behaving, your partner may behave rudely, and this is coming because of the some sort of scarcity that their life is having. Scarcity in terms of they're not able to show their emotions. Scarcity because of like uh, they are desirous of a great connection, and they are not able to believe that this great connection can ever happen in their life. So there are certain, I won't say like the doubt issue, that like the trust issues, but I would say that this person is very cautious. This person doesn't want to expose that that they lack something, and that lack, and they don't even know that that lack is coming in the form of you giving them lack, or there is some lack in you also. It could be either way. Even you could be having some lack, and that person is giving you the, hence, because that vibration is active in you, so that person is too giving you the lack in one way. So because whatever vibration is active in you, you vibrate with the same vibration that is active in them. In other words, you can just activate the same vibration in the other person if your vibration is very dominating, the dominant vibration of lack. So and there would be an opportunity in your connection where you would talk things through, and the mending work will occur. It's like some sort of reconstruction of relationship will occur. So if you're worried that why your partner is not calling, or why there are no that type, why there aren't that type of communications happening where you had been very uh, deeply involved, then I think now it's time. Your relationship will mend. A relationship will change, and and yes, in many cases, there is an interference. Some other person from your past can enter. Maybe someone from past life, because as your vibrations increase, your manifesting your manifestation abilities change, and when change, not exactly change, but they grow stronger. So, and they keep on thawing, the and so because thawing happens, so the best and the best are attracted towards you. So anything best that you're attracting to you, be that person or be that situation, is because your manifestations are improving, your vibrations are improving. um, you must not doubt your person. If you're having doubt that whether this person is having multiple affairs or something, your person is not having multiple affairs. Your person may be like a very a kind of a very friendly person, someone who talks to many people, something like that. But that person is very grounded. That person knows that who he or she actually belongs to, and they have this tendency to come back to the hook. So uh, and if you're wondering if they're not talking to you, so aren't they gathering some information about you? Aren't they actually going through some other pathways to gather some information about you? Are they that disconnected? So cards are telling that yes, gathering, they do gather information about you from other sources, but they keep it hidden. And your person is very secretive. Let me tell you, your person is, I mentioned it earlier, like they are less expressive, but they are but they are very, they're high acknowledgers. They acknowledge things on a very big scale. So if you think that the relationship is going in is taking up a downward spiral and going in some sort of a rabbit hole, then no, this relationship has full capacity to grow into a better relationship. And for the existing relationships, and for those who are like wondering if like what will happen, like singles who are wondering like what will happen in their lives, and I think in their life someone is going to come who is going to kind of mend your soul. Yes. So what they say, that you live with love with purpose and you heal with compassion, right? This is what they say. So and I won't even say that you have to heal yourself or something like that, but it's just this, that you have to keep yourself in a high vibrational state by having, first of all, compassion for yourself, not believing that only if you have this person, only then you can be happy. See, you'd have to the biggest anomaly is that we attach happiness with like having great partners, with having great material assets. But that's not the way. Happiness is about being motivated. So your motivation, you being energized, should not be dependent upon the presence or lack of something, anything. See, what is mental hygiene? This is mental hygiene, hygienic. When you remove something that is toxic, something that is hurting you, no matter how realistic, but purge off everything that doesn't seem to suit your senses. Okay, so these are the current feelings of your partner. Bye.